Welcome back to our YouTube tutorial series. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to change your channel description on YouTube using your PC. Don't worry, it's a quick and easy process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Step 2. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, locate and click on the YouTube Studio option at the top right corner of the screen. Sign in using your Google account credentials. Step 3. From the left menu, select Customization. After signing in, you'll be redirected to the YouTube Studio dashboard. On the left menu, find and click on the Customization tab. Step 4. Click on Basic Info. Within the Customization menu, locate the Basic Info section and click on it. This will open up your channel's basic information settings. Step 5. Enter your new channel description. You'll see a text box labeled Description. Delete the current description, if any, and enter your new channel description. This is where you can introduce your channel, describe its content, and engage your viewers. Step 6. Click Publish. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.